Hey guys, it's Kimberly Martinson. I'm recording from my home office here and very thankful that you can't see quite how messy it is because my kids have been in here and there's just like stuff all over the place. So every week I'm going to create a video and let you know what we did last week and what's coming up this week so that you have a general sense of where we're going. I'm not going to be providing instruction in these videos, just coaching so that you get a sense of where we're at. So if you're following the course checklist, this is the easiest way to find and do the right activities. So you should have already checked off reading these introductory things. If you didn't do the sign-off syllabus, the syllabus sign-off survey, I saw that only 8 people did. I recommend it. It's similar to what you would get in a live class. Your instructor would give you something requiring your signature just so that you were both clear on the policies and your knowledge of them. But it is not for a grade. Module 1, where it says read the module overview, I'm going to real quick change this to 121 because the requirements for the literary autobiography are actually in the Module 1 overview, so that just makes more sense. I think you probably already did it, but that's a little bit of a change. You already did your introductions post. Your literary autobiography is due tomorrow. And guys, I realize tomorrow is technically a holiday for many people, so I don't really worry that if you don't get that in until Tuesday, if you had the day off or whatever. Then Tuesday, though, you do also need to read Module 2, which is going to explain how we're going to write this first paper. And then you have your first post to the Analyzing Text Rhetorically link. Discussion. Wednesday, you have your reply. So each discussion is going to require you to write a certain amount and then reply a certain amount as well. So make sure that you're carefully reading those guidelines because you'll lose points if it, for instance, requires you to write 100 words and you only write 50, or write 3 replies and you only write 2. All right, Module 3 readings are for Wednesday. Then your first post to discussion 3 is also due on Wednesday. The following day, Thursday, your replies to discussion 3. Thursday also you have your first quiz, which will be over the readings from modules 2 and 3. And there is one assignment for Friday that takes us into Module 4, which is reading the module overview. And then just getting a little bit more ahead, if you look, you'll see that your peer review of Essay 1, which is the peer review is the name of the discussion, but your first post is in fact your rough draft. So where it says first post, that's your rough draft, so that'll be due on Monday the 28th. So that gives you an idea of where you're at. I've scored the introduction post, so you should see your grade there. I think only one person missed that. If you're having any trouble or having any questions, please send me an email, but good work so far, and I hope you have a great week.